In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the March euro currency futures, which had a reversal today. Today's rally reversed the move lower from yesterday and more. Yesterday, the euro dropped about 0.3%, which was the biggest drop since February 13th on a percentage basis. And today we closed up a little bit more than 1/3%, making up yesterday's move plus about 5 or 6 basis points. A high today, 108.50. That was up a little bit short of 0.75%. The low today, 108.04, was down 0.05%, and we finished up 37 basis points, a little bit better than 1/3%. On a weekly basis, the euro completed its second consecutive week higher, but still needs a little bit of work to recover the weekly rally that took us up 5% from the low close the week of October 9th of last year to the high close the week of December 26th of last year. After that rally, we had a 7-week stretch where we finished with lower closes in 6 of those weeks, and now we've got 2 positive weeks under our belt. EU inflation, part of the reason we got that price action today, EU inflation, both headline and core, came in hotter than expected. Headline year-over-year inflation came out at plus 2.6%, which was higher than expected but lower than last month, and core plus 3.1%. That's year-over-year, which is also higher than expected but lower than last month. Maybe more troubling, the monthly headline inflation rate came in at up 0.6% from a previous read of down 0.4%. Now, all of that takes us into next week where we have an ECB meeting. We get an ECB interest rate decision on Thursday of next week, and they weren't really expected to do anything, and still probably are not, but they were always discussed as being closer to an ease than another rate hike. We'll see what this particular inflation figure does to their rhetoric when we get into the statement and the press conference post-meeting.